Hello everyone, how are you? Hope you are doing very well. So today we are discussing about the most important question, which is the best college of the hotel management. Because everyone have a too much confusion, which college we join, which university we join. So let's start the video without wasting any time. I am Nikhil Sharma from Fatehpur, Uttar Pradesh. I am pursuing a BBA in Hotel Management from Inspire Living Management Academy, Lucknow. Since couple of years, have been very taxing for a student who passed 10 plus 12. Life is totally clueless. Life is questioning to me, what do you want to do? But one day I am scrolling on phone and scrolling on internet. I came across Inspire Living Management Academy because as you know, every cloud has a silver lining. Best thing about this college, they give the international placements. In fact, our seniors got the international placement in last 2 years pandemic. So if you want to become a hotelier, then you can come and take admission in Inspire Living Management Academy in Lucknow. Thank you so much.